So guys, in this part we want to make some prefabs and some items for our in our game. So you can go to Unity Asset Store, and then in search bar you can write survival game tools and download it. Or also you can, this is nice pack of survival items, for example the water can, yeah, some good items that we can use it, medicine. Okay. Or you can also go to the game asset. I'm going to survivor tools, prefabs. I put some of them there. So you can also use them, or you can use your own. Yeah, if you bought something, you can use them as well. It's your choice. So now for creating an item, we need to go to our hierarchy, right click, create empty object. I'm going to call it big medical pack or big med. So then this is here. I'm going to then add our face face aid kit to there, and then I'm going to reset it. Oh wait, why it doesn't have any material here? That's the question. So I need to reinstall it to fix that problem. So now I'm going to put it also at 0, and the scale size I'm going to put it at 0 point maybe 5. Then the next component, we want to add the box collider. Now let's adjust the box collider. So I'm going to make it 2D, then edit, bring there, then so I think now so still is not, I think, completed. So we need from this side a bit make it smaller. Okay, that's nice. And then the next one will be rigid body, so that our item can fall down. And then, so now let's go to our script to write a new script. Item folder, create a C# script, call it item object. So for item data is to give information about that object, and item object is what in our scene name. And then I'm going to attach that item object to our item. So now let's go inside. Going to delete and start an update function. Here we are going to write public item data item. Now let's save it, and when it's going to compile, we will see that in our big meat we have item, and this is our item data. And then click on this small circle. We are the item that we are created is there. So I'm going to click on big medicine. So now guys, we need to go to our big minute. Here we have a layer. I'm going to add a new layer. Actually, we didn't need that gown, so we can for now delete it. Instead, I'm going here to call interactable. So now I'm going to our big med, change from default to interactable. Yes, change the children too. As you see, the children is get also interactive, but this object is right now prefab, and I don't want to be fit prefab because we want to save it again in our prefab with our own prefab, not in the game asset prefab. So I'm going to first unpack it, go to prefab, unpack completely. So now this is item is created, everything should work fine. Now I'm going to our prefab, right click, create a new folder. I'm going to call it item, items. Inside I'm going to add our prefab there. So I'm going to make our item a little bit bigger. Then I'm going to override, apply all. So now if I put there, we have item there. So now if I play, we can see our medicine. Nice. So now that's worked. So I can delete one of them. I can delete this one as well because, oh no, we keep that one of them. Then I'm going to duplicate it, Control V, duplicate it, then unpack it because we want to unpack it completely. Then after that, going to big medicine, I'm going to change it to a small med. Now I'm going to delete this one, going to prefab. Being of a pills to that one. So now I'm going to disable this one. So now we can see the other one. It's really a small pills. I'm going to reset it on 111. Here is also that. Then I'm going to make it prefab as well. So now instead of big medicine, I'm going to use, but before I'm going to change it, I'm going to also unpack the prefab. Then a small medicine. Now we can prefabbing 2. So let's go to our prefab for the item and bring the small medicine there as well. So maybe it's a little bit small. I'm going to make it 3, 3, 3 to look a little bit bigger. So now we need to adjust the box collider. So first I'm going to 2D, bring it down. So now I'm going to override it so that the prefab get the changing as well. Nice. That is also our second item. Now let's create, I want you to create another 2 items for our water, and also the camera. So guys, I did my rest of our items. So as you see when I play, we can move them when they are even on the ground. And that's nice. In the next part we are, because right now we cannot do anything with them, the next part we are going to work on this interactables so that we can interact with them. See you guys now in the next video.